Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Fact Plays, and here you'll find information, fact etc. content every week. Don't forget to subscribe and join the fun. Here are some tips to grow your facts YouTube channel. 20 facts. Unveiling the secrets of a thriving facts YouTube channel. Content is king and queen. 1. Niche down. Don't be a jack of all facts. Master a specific area like music, space, or obscure historical event. 2. Accuracy. Always double and triple check your facts from credible sources. Trust is key. 3. Beyond bullet points. Craft engaging narratives, infuse humor, or use animation to make facts pop. Mastering the YouTube algorithm. 4. Keyword champions. Research trending keywords related to your niche and sprinkle them strategically in titles, descriptions, and tags. 5. Thumbnail teasers. Design eye-catching thumbnails using bright colors, clear text, and intriguing visuals to spark clicks. 6. Compelling titles. Craft titles that are informative but also pique curiosity. Use numbers, questions, and keywords to stand out. 7. Description details. Include a detailed description with your keywords and a call to action. CTA, like subscribing or liking the video. 8. Card and screen magic. Utilize end screens and cards to link to relevant videos, keeping viewers engaged within your channel. Building a community. 9. Comment conversations. Respond to comments and questions to foster a sense of community and show you care about viewers' thoughts. 10. Contest captivators. Host occasional contests or giveaways to boost engagement and attract new subscribers. 11. Collaboration connection. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche for cross-promotion and exposure to new audiences. Spreading the word. 12. Social media savvy. Share your videos across platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to reach a wider audience. 13. Strategic self-promotion. If appropriate, reach out to other YouTubers and request them to share your content with their audience. 14. Website or blog boost. Embed your videos on your website or blog to drive traffic back to your YouTube channel. Data-driven decisions. 15. Analytics advocate. Regularly monitor YouTube analytics to see what's working and what's not. Track metrics like views, watch time, and audience demographics. 16. Adapt evolve. Use data and science to refine your content strategy and tailor your videos to resonate with your audience, keeping it fresh. 17. Variety is key. Experiment with different video formats like lists, deep dives, or Q&A sessions to avoid monotony. 18. Behind the fact. Offer glimpses into your research process or interesting tidbits you discovered to keep viewers engaged. 19. Future focus. Discuss upcoming events, discoveries, or predictions related to your niche to maintain a sense of anticipation. 20. Consistency is king. Again, create a consistent upload schedule to keep viewers coming back for more knowledge bomb. By implementing these 20 facts, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving facts YouTube channel that entertains, educates, and grows your audience.